Hello students, welcome to BioExplorer. In this video, today we are going to discuss about the seed germination. But before starting the video, if you are curious about the plants and want to know about the plant's life cycle, then like, share and subscribe my channel and support us. So let's start the video. What is germination? So basically germination is the process by which a seed begins to grow into a new plant. So it starts when the seed senses the right environmental condition. This starts when the plant senses the right environmental condition, right environment, right temperature, water and oxygen. After getting the right environmental condition, the seeds wakes up from dormancy and at first the radicle grows and later the seed coat breaks open. After breaking the seed coat, the radicals grows and the shoot called the plumule grows upward and forms a new plant. We discuss about the process of germination, how germination takes place. In every seed, a tiny preformed plant is present inside in every seed, which was called the embryo. This embryo will protected the seed coat, which is a tough outer layer called the seed coat. Surrounding the embryo, endosperm is present, which stores the starch. This starch is the fuels of the plant's early growth. So this is the endosperm which stores the starch. As germination begins, the seed converts the starch in the endosperm into simple sugar. So starch converts into simple sugars. These sugars are the energy source of the seed, and after getting the powers or energies, the mitosis takes place, which is the process of the cell division. With continued cell division, set, uh, the embryonic shoot pushes upward, forming the first leaves and stems. These first leaves begin photosynthesis and grow independently. Here is some stages leading to cell division. So at first, the starchy endosperm converts the simple sugars, and in another way the mitochondria reconstituted, producing respiration, and after respiration ATP is produced. Next RNA was activated and later protein synthesis begins. After protein synthesis, all enzymes which was also called the proteins are activated. Enzymes are activated, DNA synthesis occurs, that is replication occurs, and mitosis begins. So in these processes, cell divisions or mitosis opens, resulting seed germination occurs. This is the common germination of the common garden bean. Common garden bean is the dicotyledonous plant. So this is the preformed embryo is covered by an outer layer which was called the seed coat. After breaking the dormancy, the embryo get the energy and radicals pushes hypocotyles pushes upward and cotyledons open. So a new plants or the first leaves and shoots are uh, grow up and photosynthesis occurs. A new plants was born. So this is the whole picture of a dicotyledonous seed, whole picture of the seed germination or germination of the dicotyledonous plants. So if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel BioExplorer for more plant science content. See you next time. Thank you.